Hello everyone. Let's take a look at a couple of trades I made in ES today. This is for a total of $200. Today is December 29th, 2021. It is a Wednesday. So here is here are the trades. So if we look at the 30 minutes chart in the left. Let me accommodate this one a little bit. We see that we were moving to the downside and then we moved up. This is before the market opened at 8:30, 9 a.m. So the market moved down, then moved up, and then it was actually in the range here. It tried to make a move to the downside, but it failed and then came back, and then all of this action was pointing to the downside, and then in the afternoon after 1 p.m. the market has started to go up again, and now it's moving up. So I'm not trading this time, even though there's like 30 minutes for the market to close. So let me open this one. So my target for the day was already met. If you see the the YouTube channel and go to the playlists, then you would see that that I'm marking today as to $720 win in between the three markets I trade. So let's review the entry chart for ES. So the first entry was right here. I saw the market that was breaking down right there, and I took this trade right at this support level. Probably a mistake, but I saw a wick out of the 18 below the previous market open, so I thought that it would be a good chance for it to move down, but it didn't. It immediately, so it gave me a couple of ticks down and then immediately reversed reversed to me. So I exited right there before, right after this first candle, or this break. So that one was $300 loss. Then the second one was actually $62 loss. I took the entry right at this candle, thinking that it was going to. So it is below um, the the moving averages, and I made a mistake. So really it's $237 profit on this one. So let me mark it down right away. I don't have it here, so it's plus 237.5, 238. Let's say 237.5. So this one here was good. I saw that it was you know, it is in a channel, so it's a little bit risky to take it there. But I took it there, and then moved and gave me two targets, and then one stop right above that candle, or that break right there, and then it started to move up. So fortunately it worked. This one was right before the market opened. So if you see, this was is 9:30. I wait for the I took it like 5 minutes before at 9:25, and I expected this one to move down. It really moved very quick, and this here took this trade and then moved up and took the. I had time to move the stop to break even. Uh, Kind of. So it was the entry was right there, and the stop was right at that candle. So I was taken out very quickly. So $237. Now I'm at $62.5 loss in between these two trades. Then the market really, stayed in the range, and then broke to the downside. And then in this second entry right here, I took the trade when it was breaking down. very close to the prior day low. Probably not a good idea, but so I hit right to the tick right here, 47 70 25 for two targets, and then one stop right at that level when it reversed. So this one is actually, and I didn't mark it either, so let me mark it right there. So this one was good for 262.5. $262.50 minus commissions, right? I'm not again. I not taking the commissions here. So the market is, went here. This one would be a good entry as well at 1042. I was not feeling that the market was going to do that much today, just before the end of the year. But the market is, keeps moving up. But so this is lunchtime. Didn't do anything at lunch, and then it moves up. Already made the move in the afternoon. So um, it's 3:43 right now, and the market seems that is moving higher. Um, but it's still in the range. I mean, so in between that high and that low, it's been bouncing up. There's some money to make here, but I didn't participate in any of that. Just those $200 in between the three trades I just mentioned. Thank you for watching.